Welcome to the big job. Alright, so let's do a little walkthrough of this big job. You've seen the cool intro, you've seen some of the shots. We've got like another day or two before the huge unveiling. Home Builder Showcase, we're gonna have this thing open to the public. There's a few things here that aren't done, but it's good enough to show. So come join us on this beautiful walkway. We've got a herringbone in the travertina raw. This is their access to their snack room. So we've got a really beautiful walkway to their snack room. Steps, all the same material, all beige. Coming down this beautiful road, walk you to our next feature. Got some planter beds. They're gonna plant with some annuals, hopefully by the weekend for the big show. That's how we're gonna leave them for now. Landscape guys gonna come in and plant these. Almost done with the hot tub. We've got caulking to do around the caps. So we've got some shims, so you'll be able to see those once it's all said and done. But this is gonna be a cool spot. Sitting height, sit on it, have some drinks, have some food there. Really the centerpiece of this whole thing. Everything kind of lines up with the center of that fireplace, center of the hot tub, center of the pool, center of, you get the point. Really beautiful feature here, planters. We're gonna add some pop to the space. Similar to probably my favorite feature, this gorgeous water feature. It's what you hear when you're out here in the space. You hear the water. We've got water from the bowl. We've got water from the fountain. We've got water from the 3 spears over there. We're gonna have some koi here in a couple weeks, but now I've got some beautiful water lilies in here. We've got some aquatic plants surrounding the space. We're gonna give it that nice pop. A lot of brown, a lot of grays. That beautiful bowl there is probably my favorite feature in this water feature. Kids are gonna love it. Homeowners love it. You see the kitchen we put right beside the pond. We've got a gas griddle. You come over here flipping your pancakes, frying your eggs and bacon. Blaze griddle. Got a nice big wolf gas grill. This is a very high quality grill. Probably don't want to turn it on right now, but access doors. This is the thing we just started putting in, are these pellet grills. One of those set it, forget it smokers. Put your pellets in here. It's got the Wi-Fi, it's got an app, you set it, you go inside, take a 12-hour nap. It's gonna smoke your pork butt, really nice. Buffet style kitchen top. They've got like 20 feet, they can do it, they can lay up here, put food, they can host a lot of parties. We've got a trash can, we've got some doors, cabinet doors, got access doors. You want to put some bigger items in there. Up against the house, and check out this beautiful fireplace. It's a double-sided fireplace, inside and outside. Everything's lit up, as you can see. Nice, beautiful mantle we added on the fireplace. They're gonna have a massive TV up here. They're gonna have two outdoor TVs. That's insane. Yeah, really cool spot. Let's go down here. Decided to add some really cool Techo block Borealis stepping stones. Kind of has that tree stump texture to it. And that's going to lead you down here to the turf area. Got this monstrosity of a playground. Crazy. I wish I was a kid growing up in here. Everything's turf in here. Check out these boulders replaced here. The Eden stone matches the exact stone veneer that's on the house. That's how you design things. Everything's complementary. Everything's done at the same time, same phase, everything in line. It's a big giant turf there. So cool. This was actually a change order. It wasn't planned originally. Things happened with the house and the slope changed. They ended up building the house higher, so we had to add this wall here. So you can step down and get down to this space a lot easier than having this huge sloped area. Where we got the biggest putting green we've ever built. One of the biggest jobs we've ever built. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cups. And we added this really cool thing over here. We decided to make this extra wide. They really wanted extra wide putting green. I don't suggest seaming two pieces together, but that's what they wanted. And we tried our best to seam them together. So we decided to add this between that big seam to hide it as much as possible. I really think it adds lots of space. Have this little, I don't know what you call it. It's an inlay, it's a heel. It's a little, just a cool little piece here. We've got lights in the cups, as you can see. I can play golf at night. Really cool spot. Butts up against the water feature over here. Just like the audio guys will have some speakers to put in. They're going to put some speakers and some more lights in the space, so you know, just that like you don't see the white wire. Here's our bridge. You can access the pool area from the putting green. And then probably the centerpiece, this whole space. I mean, maybe not the centerpiece, but it's a space you see, you hear it. It's these 3 big spears. Gauge really sets the thing off. I love it. I think it's awesome. We've got a biofalls at the top. It's not pumping out a lot of water. More or less it's filtration, but we can control all the pressure with a control valve. We'll probably increase that pressure on that waterfall. But what a spot. Kids can sit on the bridge. Adults, I want to sit on the bridge, hang my feet in the water, play with the fish. It's going to be a really nice spot. It's going to be a swing. So we built them out and put that in. We hired a subcontractor to come in and put those in for us. But what a cool space. Homeowners can sit here on the swing. Our kids are on the playground, they're playing putt, playing in the water. Just a really cool spot to enjoy the backyard. This keeps going. This is exhausting. It's a lot of walking. We've got this beautiful 15.5 by 40 leisure pool. We've got the tanning ledge. About 7 feet deep in the back. We're still cleaning it. Steph's going to be here for the next day, cleaning it, making sure everything's money for the big show. There's everything in there. There's color lights, heater, filtration. And then we've got some more annual beds over here. It's going to kind of anchor what we have over there. Hopefully they add some nice color. There's a lot of beige going on. I think once we add some color in here, the landscaping really helps set this thing apart. The turf really helps the water feature as well. So in the end, I think it was a good choice. Check out this space right here. We've got this massive privacy screen, TV wall. That TV better be freaking big, because that's a big screen. This is a big space, big scale. Check out this big fire pit down here. Big sunken fire pit, hangout space. This fire pit is probably 18 feet long. It's gonna have around 850,000 BTU, which if you know BTU and fire, that's a lot of fire, that's a lot of power. And we have a lot of drainage in here. This is all sunken. We have 3 drains that run out downhill at daylight back. We've got about 20 something inches of limestone. So all the water goes through. As you can see, we've used these permeable 1/4 inch stone with the hope that the water will just drain through, hit our drains, and then run out to another spot. So this is all cedar. It actually provides a lot of shade in the afternoons. It's going to provide a lot of shade down here, shade for the pool. They're going to have this massive TV. I think they might be planting some clematis on here, some climbing hydrangeas, something to really soften it up a little bit. The thing's big. It just got put this week, so I'm still trying to like get used to it. But this is such a cool space. We're going to add some cushions down below. We're going to have some back cushions to make this more comfortable. It's a lot of hard surfaces. One of the coolest things, we built it right up against the pool, which took a lot of thought, a lot of engineering, but the idea was you could sit up here, you know, touch the water. You could jump in the water, put your arm back, feel it. You're close to the party. Everything is really close by. This is a cool spot to be. So this should be working today. We've got our gas guy coming. We can come back and put our lava stones. It's going to be our media and really finish this space off. Almost done. We got a couple more things. Roughly, I don't know, 3,400 square feet of travertina slabs, travertina border paver, travertina coping. We've got this unreal pool house I've got over here. It's insane, absolutely insane. One more thing, chipping pad. Over here, they can come out of the pool house. I mean, the view from here, the putting green, straight shot. Right on the chipping pad. On the putting green. This is an unreal space. This took us, we've been here since August. It's currently May 8th, the day before my birthday. We're gonna finish my birthday, hopefully. Happy birthday, Richard. It's been tough, it's been hard. We've learned a lot on this job. New guys, training guys, lots of learned lessons, bad lessons, good lessons, but just take a look at this job, step back. We're extremely proud of how this turned out, and we're gonna hang our hats on this one and peace out of here.